Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version because the steps differ. Once done, back up or note your home layout to restore widgets. Now open Settings and go straight to Display or Wallpaper and find the live wallpaper entry. Don't hesitate, find it now. If it's in a separate wallpaper app, launch that instead. You're establishing a safe baseline and locating the exact control panel so you can remove the live effect without losing other personalized items. You'll now disable the live wallpaper by selecting the active entry and opening its settings or preview. This is where the toggle lives. Once inside, choose a static image from Photos or System Defaults, or pick None if the option exists. This replaces the animated file. Apply the change, and then inspect both home and lock screens to ensure the live motion is gone. If animations persist, repeat selection and explicitly pick a built-in static wallpaper to override any lingering. You finish by cleaning up potential sources of the live wallpaper. If replacing didn't stop animation, force stop or uninstall the wallpaper app. Once removed, reboot the device to clear any cached processes. After reboot, confirm the static image remains on both screens. If you still see movement or notice excess battery drain, reset display settings to defaults and review active apps. If problems persist, contact support with your OS version and device model so they can diagnose lingering services.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.